It's YouTube Wednesday!
Pilot ground.
Go Brown.
There has been no reaction, and they are not allergic.
Here, I'll be back very shortly to look at that cow.
Boy, that is still...
Lord.
Did I just have a tiny head?
No. How Maeve's is with the underneath the chin.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do that.
It's because I don't have a chin. I'm sorry.
No,
I knew this was
don't
gonna come in
apologize.
one
You're
day.
perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with you.
That's not true.
There's something wrong
There's
with me.
something wrong with you.
What
And you
is
can always
wrong?
get better. Never tell someone that they're perfect.
Oh,
I
no.
would say you're perfect.
Yeah.
No.
Grab a Sharpie from Alex. Should use contact cement. You have any in here or do I have to go to the shop? Could you hand me a brush, Stacy? This is the same thing. This is a blender strip that should go headpiece, then this, then face. Shove your face in that hole.
Shove it in the hole.
I'm going to take this clear back to the ears, and we're going to use Crozade and blue paper towel over that to hold that down. So once this is on, it's going to be on.
For the rest of my life.
No.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Hallie, and today I'm doing makeup for our Ultra shoot. Insert model here. Gonna make her look so cool, so much prettier than she already is. And yeah, that's the game plan today.
You kind of look like a Teletubby.
stuff.
When we are filming on set, we usually have show lights on, and we have a few lights we like to use. These right here are battery powered, and they can go anywhere, and they give little splashes anywhere, or like a little fill light. We have light wands. These can sneak behind anything or give somebody like a really good backlight. Hidden, you know. We have a few of those. The last one we use are these LED panels, and these are great for filling up a larger area. But what we use to not color the space too much, we bounce it off instead of putting direct harsh light. And this kind of illuminates the darkness a little bit for camera, because our haunted house is very, very dark. We also use the cheap foggers that you can buy at Spirit. We have the big ones, but these are really easy to move around, and we carry 2 of them. And yeah, they're like $10. So anytime you see our fog on camera, it's this. Let's talk about our camera really quick. So when we're shooting video at dark hour, we use a Sony a7R III with a cinema lens, anamorphic. We have just a little Rode mic. We never really need the audio. I just added a GoPro to make sure I have everything portrait mode as well. So that's our little rig, and it's perfect for what we shoot in the haunt. This is our photo camera, Sony a7S II. Perfect for in the haunt. Look at that lens. That can really zoom in there, get some really close-up shots, and it's wide enough, it's a 24, to get your tight spaces. Yeah, we're gonna do a big backlight, and we're gonna shoot in this direction. So I'm gonna get light splashing through all these, all the lattice work, and it's gonna cause these like really exciting beams of light, especially with the fog. The fog catches all that stuff. So when in doubt, fog up your area a lot. It'll always look good. You know what? This would be really cool in here. So for this character, she's the Moss Witch. So we're gonna do a lot of greens and yellows. So I'm gonna blast the yellow light. It's gonna hit our subject in the back of the head. And because it's going through this lattice work, you're gonna get rays of light. Technically that is the hair light, like the rim light. It's to create separation between your subject and the background. So your background could be really dark, and that's gonna have like a really nice sharp light, and it gives definition to the silhouette. When we're shooting, we're trying to stay really close to Alan's vision. He initially drew up silhouettes of all the characters, and he said it doesn't matter what they look like as long as their silhouettes are exact to the reference. And we shot all these witches back in 2021, a few last year, 2022, and we had one left, Huldra. So that's what we're doing now, and we're trying to stay true to her silhouette. So that's what we're trying to accomplish. I'm gonna have you walk it.
Come this way.
Yeah, you're gonna be revealed. Oh, I like that. Okay, come this way.
Do we have fog?
We do. I could get you on fog.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
The fogger's over there. You will be the mother of that fogger. Mother fogger?
Fogger.
Good one. So we've colored our backdrop. If you notice, there's like a general color there. We have these lights. Go ahead and start fogging. This light going through the lattice. You keep walking back. We got this backlight that's gonna hit our actor right around here, right where you're at, and then you see the screen that's gonna illuminate just a little bit of face. The makeup is so good that it looks like there's a little bit of light always just right here. Great job, Hallie.
I put my
Good job.
Let me grab-
You're beautiful.
Something to cut to. Right, let's take some photos. All right, go again. But this time, when you snap up, do that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready and action. All right, go back to your down position, and when you snap up, use your hands to the.
Oh, I got stuck.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me practice.
Hold, please. All right, action. Go again. Do that again. And action.
Go make stuff.